Mendakas ngi pratrik naibing arhajar kusan, Menteri Rangbak Ajela kondak ke sangmau la bo yo monorim bante yaga additional sekretariat hatura hadako kreatura. Hak jenderal lang kino lamnian ke Rangbak Nagarhil. Barka jinglut yagane kabanta kabanakong kanlong sispa san penruklur tengka bat on pendep house name arhajar akun yau. Menteri Rangbak Ajela laong ba mendakas ngi kadai ka sengi sa kenmau melala ban bo yo monorim ban snai yaga additional sekretariat. Balai kuble yakna lamniam ke Rangbak ki beladon lang hanesni bat kerpang yo parajanu belkarko yo manorim kane gade jikmen ya jela bergoi bat kerpang ki pajba gagaruhil namar kane ka additional secretariat kan ai jing syakri ya pajba kate kathain ha ki babun kiliang.
We are here in Tura at the site where the additional secretariat will be coming up, and today is a very, very auspicious and important day because today we have laid the first foundation stone and so first foundation for this particular project, and I'm very thankful to our religious leaders, Reverend Dil Singh and Father Janu, for coming and praying and blessing this particular foundation and blessing the this particular additional secretariat. It's a great moment for the people of the state as a whole, and particularly for the people of Garo Hills, as this additional secretariat will serve the people of this region and the state as a whole in many, many positive ways.